Hey guys, so I have something special today. So this is a mystery box that I bought from a friend. So it's like a five booster packs and something special in. So I don't know what is going to be. So let's open it together and see what we can get. So just a second, I'm cutting it open. Okay, I'm so excited. So let's see. Let's put it like this, and we're going to see in a minute. Okay, we have shredded, cool, and we have temple forces, nice, and we have one more temple, okay, and we get Paldean Fates, Paldean Evolved, and what we can get here, okay, let's see, one more Paldean, and Journey Together, and our last pack is Journey. Let's see if we got something else. Okay, this is all our packs, you can see, it's only here. Something else. Okay, let's open it up and see what we can get. Okay, let's start with Journey. Okay, so I'm almost finished Journey Together. So I need the gold cards. Let's see, maybe we can get Belly Bolt or Zacian. Let's see. Okay. Please, big gold. Okay, come on. Okay. And our rare is Snorlax. Okay, we have one more. Let's try it. Okay. Wish me good luck. Okay. Code card for you, and we are going to start again. Okay. Come on, big gold. Okay. And our rare is Ludicolo. Okay, so we have like 2 packs of Paldean Evolves. Let's see what we can get from this. Okay, code card for you, and one to the front. Okay, energy. Come on. Okay, we want full art, we want SAR. Oh, it's a beautiful one. I love the artwork. Okay. And, ooh, very beautiful EX, full art. I love it. Oh, so cool. Let's leave it. Okay. Let's put it right here with us. Okay, for good luck. So we have one more. Let's see what we can get. Okay, code card. Okay, one to the front. Okay, dark energy. Okay, let's see. Okay, come on, Paldea, give us more good stuff. Okay, and our is Gyarados. It's beautiful, very nice. Okay, so I'm going shredded. Let's see, I have good luck with shredded this week, so Let's see, maybe I can get something good. Oh, interested. Very interested. I think it's upside down. Let's see. Okay. One to the front. Maybe say something. Saying something. Let's see. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, Shredded. Give us something good. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And rare is regular Olo. Okay. So we have 2 more Temple Forces. Let's open it. Okay. So. Okay. Code card. Okay, let's move it. And okay. Grass energy. Come on. Give us something good. Come on, Temple Forces. Let's go. Electro bars. Oh, wow. What a beautiful card of bronzer. And, okay, nice. Olo. Let's put it in a sleeve. Come on, let's. Oh, nice. 2 hits. Very nice. Okay, we can put it right here. Okay, so last pack. Okay, I think we got a lot of magic, but let's hope for more magic. So let's pack magic. Okay. Okay, let me show you the code card. Okay, cool. So, and our last pack is, okay, come on. One more good card. One more. I hope I'm not greedy. Okay. So, what we can get? Okay. Oh, it's a beautiful reverse. And regular Olo. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. It was very fun to open it with you. Good. Have a good day.